just a little catch up on the garden plot. It's not looking too bad. I did spend a couple of hours yesterday evening tidying up, and what led me to do that was a massive great fat pigeon sat on my Taunton Dean, which is like a kind of kale, perpetual kale. It never flowers, and you can only really get roots from what do you mean? Cuttings, that is, from cuttings, yeah. And they have been a little bit pecked to death, but luckily he's still alive. That's probably a bit worse off. But I will do kind of something similar. This is really kind of hasty. I haven't seen a big fat pigeon on it as yet, but let's have a closer look. He just sat on the top, pecking away. I mean, I hope it recovers. But there was quite a lot of, I just didn't notice before. But anyway, hopefully that will survive. My garlic bed's doing okay, which is great. And I did cut a lot of this back, which is what I'm kind of here today to kind of clear along there. And this is going to be the fourth bed. I've yet to remove the plastic on there. And I kind of cut all this back as well. And I need to get rid of this great big bramble. It's kind of came right over, but I went out the back and cut it all back on another day. So yeah, I mean, it's very early March, so it's a little bit chilly, but the sun is out. It's absolutely lovely. Pond's doing okay. I mean, it's very clear water, actually. There is barley. There's a big, I don't know if you can see it, you probably might be able to pick that up. There's a barley ball in there, like all gathered up. You can see some of that. I mean, I do want to get some more oxygenating plants, and I'm just hoping frogs come springtime onwards. Yeah, there is a little ladder there. You can't see it, but there's a little ladder there, and then there's stones that go up towards the little frog house, which, hopefully will become a frog house. Yeah, so I'm going to start work, clearing just all this edges here. I'm going to kind of clear that. I need to kind of get rid of all that. Yeah, let's just crack on. That's the holly done. I had to make sure I picked up every single leaf because Rosie does like to have a little sniff in here. She doesn't use it as anything else. She has a little area in the main garden, which, for her business. Just so you know. For those that think that she might, she won't. Oh, here she comes. Oh, Rosie, what about you? Did you know? Can you see her? I don't know if you can see her. Hey, Rose. You're a good girl. You're a good girl. Yes, you are. Go on. She wants me to play ball. That's for afterwards. Right. What's next? I just got to do all along there, and then that's me for today. Just a little march, clean up, get cracking and clear this lot. that's a start. This is going to be the potato bed, but I've got to get rid of this plastic, which won't be too difficult, to be fair. And there's probably another layer of plastic a bit further up. I've cleared the same plastic on all these other beds. And this, I need to sort of work out this. I hope you can see that. Actually, I'll be back. I might figure something out on that one. Oh, I'm just wondering if this will do the job. Let's have a look. Right, hold up. Need to I mean, oh yeah, yeah. But let's have a close look. Whew. So it's a massive fat block. It was in the garden. You know, it's been in the garden when we arrived, so that actually works. I'll have to. It's a lot of nettles, and I need to kind of get rid of them while they're small because they get absolutely massive. But that's a magnolia, and that's a honeysuckle. Yeah, but it just means I can go a bit further back with the bed. Possibly try and grow stuff up here because the sun comes all the way. It kind of goes over like that. Yeah, we get a very good what do you call it? You know, the red arrows, etc. They come right over this area. I'll put a link at the end to the red arrows and all the other planes that went across on. I think it was a 70th anniversary. No, it wasn't the 70th. I don't know what it was, but it was last year. Yeah. Well, this is. I mean, a lot of you who've been with me for a long time will know what this was like a year ago. But what I'll do is I'll quickly put a image. Hold on, I'll step back a bit. That's it now. And I'll try and find the same sort of image of about a year ago. Yeah, I mean, there wasn't a pond, I don't think. I can't remember the actual times I did things, but yeah, it's good. It's a good start to the beginning of the growing year. Exciting. I'm very lucky. I really appreciate it, you know. Not everyone gets a massive allotment plot at the bottom of their garden. I did have my own allotment when we lived in a very small house. We don't own this house, just so you know. It's not ours. I wish it was, but we're lucky. With the location and all that kind of stuff. Yeah. Anyway, thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you on the next one. Take care. Bye. What do you want me to do, Rosie? You want me to throw it? Rosie, do you want me to throw it? Shall I throw it? Shall I? Are you a good girl? You are a good girl. You've been eating grass. You've been eating grass. Have you? All right. Oh, that's it. Right on my jeans. Come back. Come back, Rosie. Come. Sit. 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 Wait.